Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Install Roblox Studio 2025, sign in, and enable the AI Assistant plugin so it can access your project. Next, open the place you'll modify and immediately create a backup. This avoids accidental overwrites. Once done, set auto-save to 5 minutes and grant mic and file permissions so the assistant can analyze scripts and assets. This gets you ready to receive context-aware suggestions and prevents data loss while you work. You now feed the assistant context by selecting parts of the scene or highlighting scripts. This ensures its suggestions target the right scope. Ask it clear, goal-oriented prompts like, optimize this script for performance, or generate NPC pathing with waypoints. The assistant will produce edits and explanations. Make sure to open the diff view to inspect exact changes and rationale. If multiple fixes are proposed, apply them one at a time so you can test behavior and roll back easily if needed. You finish by thoroughly testing. Run play in server modes, check performance metrics, and validate networked behavior. Once satisfied, commit changes to version control and document what the assistant modified. If something goes wrong, immediately use rollback or restore your backup, then collect logs and reproduce the error for targeted fixes. A key troubleshooting tip: if behavior differs between client and server, isolate the change and test in server mode first. Mismatched context is the most common cause of unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.